OEM, or aftermarket parts for your appliance repair. Here's the honest breakdown from a tech who's installed both thousands of times. OEM means original equipment manufacturer. It's the exact same part your appliance was built with. Same materials, same specifications, same fit. Made by or for the original manufacturer. Aftermarket means a third-party company made a compatible replacement. Sometimes identical quality, sometimes not. Prices are usually 30 to 50% cheaper. When to choose OEM for critical components. Compressors, control boards, heating elements, motors. These are the heart of your appliance. A cheap aftermarket compressor that fails in 6 months costs you more than the OEM would have. When aftermarket is fine, for simple parts with no electronics. Door gaskets, rack wheels, knobs, shelves, handles, water filters. These parts are straightforward, and aftermarket versions are often identical to OEM. The gray area, thermal fuses, thermistors, and sensors. Some aftermarket versions work perfectly. Others are slightly off-spec and cause recurring issues. This is where a tech's experience matters. Our approach: we use OEM parts for all repairs by default. We stock OEM parts for Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, GE, Maytag, Frigidaire, KitchenAid, and all major brands. If an aftermarket option makes sense and won't compromise reliability, we'll discuss it with you. OEM parts availability for all major brands. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.